What's the meaning of buck naked? Buck naked. Buck naked.
Buck naked. Buck naked. The phrase buck naked is a colloquial expression that means completely naked. It is believed to have originated in the United States during the 19th century, with buck referring to a male deer and its antlers, which were sometimes stripped down to the bone. The implication is that the person being described is stripped down to their bare bones, with no clothing or other covering on their body. Overall, using this phrase to describe someone means that they are without any clothing or protection, leaving them in a vulnerable and exposed state.